All righty, Kirsten. Your first day on a cruise ship. What are you thinking?
It's going to be a long 7 days. That's what I'm thinking. I do know where I can get my chai latte now, so that's a plus.
Ding. Plus.
So I can go get that with my drinky package. And
how was dinner?
Dinner was good. Prime rib is never a bad decision. We have new friends from the dinner table who all seemed nice and good.
Ding, ding.
I have not put my motion sickness patch on yet.
Ding, ding, ding.
I did almost want to throw up when we were walking towards the back of the boat and the boat was going forward, and I looked overboard and that was bad. So that's not a good thing to do.
But overall, you're good.
I'm good. I had a couple minutes during trivia where things got a little dicey. I thought I was sick, but I'm okay. But I can feel every time the boat moves. I'm a seismologist now. You could just send me to California. I can tell you when the earthquakes are there. You don't need a machine. I'm good. So, yeah, it was all right. And there's one Texas tea machine in the casino, so yay!
All right, that's 5 wins out of the day.
Yeah, but we didn't win on the casino on the slot machine.
No. We got money from craps and we played the slot machines. So
until we lost it.
We played with their money. We're up $5.
We're up $5 thus far.
But better than the guy who lost $800. But not as good as the woman who won $12,000
on a slot machine. And was still playing because was she still playing the same machine?
Grandma wasn't getting up.
They put her down at that machine. That's the machine for the day.
She may be there tomorrow.
She might be.
If she pays her taxes.
She's an old lady. She might not have to pay taxes on it.
You got to pay your gambling taxes.
Right, but if her income's under a certain amount, she may not have to.
If her income's under a certain amount, should she be here?
Maybe her nice family brought her along.
I don't know. Those other people we saw, the grandma paid for the whole trip. So, look, we got a nice little patio.
We did try the patio out. And men come in and floof your pillows and close your curtains, which seems a bit invasive to me, but apparently that's how it goes. I just want to be in my room and be left alone. Like, oh, come back in a week. So it's a lot of pampering, maybe that's the word.
You bet you're not used to.
Yeah, I'm not accustomed to that, and I don't care for that.
Maybe you'll just realize that sometimes having other people do stuff is not bad.
Okay.
I myself had a fabulous massage. Absolutely fabulous.
You did do
massage.
that. Well, I read my book and...
I'm going to go back and get massaged on Wednesday after we come back from our...
Oh, from our adventure?
Yes, she did such a good job.
When's our adventure? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday?
Yes. 3 days of adventures.
In the middle.
But this is, yes, in the middle bits. But this is an adventure in and of itself. Tomorrow you'll have different stuff to eat.
Right. Where are we going to eat? At the buffet place or the sitting down place? Because we have choices, apparently, depending on what time we roll out of bed. And we promised that we would exercise.
So
slightly.
When you wake up, which will be the crack of ass, I'll probably wake up and then we can go exercise and eat, or we can eat and exercise either way.
All the above.
There is the track. We can do 5 laps or so.
And hopefully my hip is back lined up. I don't know. We'll see how that goes tonight.
I'm not in charge of lining your hip up. That's on you.
You didn't bring a chiropractor?
No, but there is an acupuncturist. I'll let you.
I think you can line my hip back up.
All right, so day 1 at sea, I'd call it reasonable success. Reasonable?
That food was good. I didn't get any chai because I didn't figure out what the chai was so late.
But tomorrow there'll be chai.
Tomorrow there'll be chai, so what could possibly go wrong?
Haven't seen any U-boats.
That boat would be.
Except for the one on land.
Just the one that while we were pulling out of port.
Yeah.
I did want a pelican to land on the boat so I could talk to it, but that didn't happen. And I did see dolphins as we were leaving the harbor, which was, I thought there were sharks for a minute, but then it was false alarm. It was actually dolphins. So, you know me, I'm always on the wildlife lookout.
And you get to watch the Red Bull Network with crazy British people
Doing
driving.
soapbox derby.
Soapbox
That was
derby.
awesome. Yeah.
So I'd say it's a decent day.
Yeah,
I'm going to go edit.
we have some
You can-
strange television channels to choose from, and MSNBC is not one of those, so Scott has nothing to watch. There will be no news for a whole week.
But I do have a lot
Something
of
happens to Lester Holt, please send a carrier pigeon because I need to know.
The shit may not go down, but if Lester goes down,
If Lester Holt is
Somebody send
taken
a
away
message.
from my planet, I can't go on. I'll just throw myself overboard
all right.
and become chum.
She'll swim to find Lester.
He needs me.
All right. And with that, good night.
Good night.